mulberries. Oh yeah. I don't want the ones that... Oh, I can. Maybe. Crunch, crunch.
Thank you.
There's some, you just got to look around. Kind of sour. Because I fall down into a ditch, right? Oh.
Right, to the right. Now reach up to the left, up, up, up. Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh. Oh.
Nice and right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Couple.
Yeah. We might find better ones. The birds eat them. Can't blame them. But there's a good stealth camp spot. See in there? Nice and low, so when it rains you get flooded. Oh, no, nothing.
What's that white stuff? White.
Reflection?
Reflection?
Off leaves?
I see something white in the background. Oh, the sky.
Sky? Oh. Yeah, good one. Oh. 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 Oh.
There's a bear comes up.
They turned. There's only one house back here. Oh, delicious.
We could die of poison.
Well, why not? Here,
Insecticide.
nice one. We know insecticide here.
You know, farmers are just all wild.
Delicious.
That they came out to see from the first group.
Did you used to eat these when you were a kid?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was free candy, man.
Up from blackberries in Grand Canyon. And
Yeah.
the city slicker asked the ranger, "Can you eat them?" She was telling me, you know, you go down there, you go put blackberry when you get to the river. That woman, when the slicker said, "No, you can't do that." Oh, that's another salt. Oh, I need that. Look at this.
Find a nice one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Not bad. Got a little bit of a sweet. Just a couple
what's
of
that?
Yeah, feel we're going to come with sweet.
Yeah, some of them are sweeter than others. One more.
What do you think?
I think they're delicious. Oh, that way. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Looking for a hot dog and then look.
Oh. Oh. I think that's cicadas I hear, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Here. You see where this pond goes like this? And then gets narrower there?
Yeah.
The other side of that. That's where you can camp. Look at the wildlife.
Oh, yeah.
It's a regular mosquito ranch.
Down there?
No, I haven't gone down there now.
Okay.
No, you don't have to go this way.
It's egret?
Yes, I think the white ones are egrets. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Good idea.
Ah. I'm going. Ah. 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 Mm. And that's the new house. That was built there this, well, basically this winter.
Oh, yeah, I would say, yeah, the police say, oh no, you had to call the Cook County Sheriff, things like that. Take them forever to come out. That's why you got to have your own shotgun.
Yeah.
Dog, and take care of the
Okay,
business
here's
yourself.
where you go in, see? Downhill. I think up here. Yeah, right down in here. See, once you get down the hill, they can't see you either. And the pond's down here somewhere.
Look at this stuff.
I wish I could catch some of them cicadas. One.
What do you do, eat them?
I'll give them to my toad.
Oh,
There goes one. I see him flying.
you want to give them a live one?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, clip the wings.
Don't have to.
Put them in there. Yeah,
I see them flying all around here. That is what hit me in the head. I see one way over, two over there. Bang. Oh. Come with a bug net, you know. A butterfly net. But you should be able to just pick them off a tree and stuff. Like they should be climbing up this tree. They are. They're all over the damn tree. What can I put them in? I can put them in here. You want one? They're supposed to be pretty good.
Or eat them.
Yeah, I ain't eating them.
Uh,
But they are supposed to be pretty good.
You know what?
You don't know what kind of parasites are in them either.
I don't get them in the house.
Oh, I can put them in here.
Come on. And stick them in the
Oh. Can you open the zipper for me? That's good. Ugh. He pissed on me. Sucker. Okay. Bastard pissed all over me. He did.
Yeah, that's where you get home, though.
Sap,
Yeah,
probably. Oh.
acid.
What's that?
Put your acid.
Acid.
When you throw them in the tank, the toad will go after
Oh
them.
yeah,
It's
you.
crazy.
Well, when we get home, you can watch him. Oh
You
yeah.
run after them, stick up his tongue.
The June bug, you can barely see how fast he eats it.
Oh yeah.
It's like gone.
I mean, his tongue, with his tongue shoot up that far.
Not that far. The worms he has to bite because they're slimy, and his tongue won't stick to him. So
Oh.
he licks them. He'll lick your finger or bite your finger if you put it in there. Oh. 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 So they like maple trees, apparently. That would make sense. They're nice and sweet.
I wouldn't notice that looking for them on a tree like that.
You need glasses, Paul?
I don't think it's see. I wasn't looking for that.
Oh.
I probably would. I don't know. Yeah. This long distance. Up close, I can see it. It's not, I can't see the
Here's our friendly puppy who likes to bark at us. Hello.
How are you?
Wonderful. Oh, so that's what you do with your dog's poop. Do you think she's going to pick that up on her way back?
What?
Well, there's no house back in there. She left her dog's poop in a bag on the side of the road. I hope she picks it up. I ain't picking it up.
You know, some people do that. You know, you bring a bag, you know, carry a bag. A long street, it's all the way.
I thought that was Mark.